opponent, out of the red corner, training out of Evolve MMA, holding a Muay Thai and kickboxing record of 264 and 54, representing Thailand. Please welcome the reigning and defending undisputed 7-time one bantamweight Muay Thai World Champion, Nunau Kayang Hadao. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of World Friday Fight 76. 3 3-minute rounds of flyweight Muay Thai. And introducing his opponent, out of the red corner, training out of Evolve MMA, holding a Muay Thai and kickboxing record of 264 and 54, representing Thailand. Please welcome the reigning and defending undisputed 7-time one